Good morning. Today it's all about the engine. Okay, so we have engine here. We cleaned it yesterday a bit just to get rid of the grease and dust. And we also have two gearboxes. And the first thing we need to do is to change the housing, because this gearbox is good condition, but it has CA18 housing, and this one has KA housing, but the gearbox broken. So we just need to switch the housings. And then we have some parts here to install, clutch and some clutch accessories, and we're gonna try to maybe fit the engine inside the engine bay today. Okay, so me and Marek, we're getting rid of all the tape around the engine bay, and Adaś here is changing the bell housing on the gearboxes. That's the working gearbox, and this is the old gearbox from KA. And as you can see, exactly where it was broken. As I said in the previous video, I don't really like the gold color of this one, so we're gonna just take out the valve cover now, sand it down, and paint with the same color as the engine bay. Valve cover is out and actually looks very clean underneath, way better than my UZ in Miata when I opened it for the first time. The valve cover itself we're gonna sand down and paint, and also I was lucky enough to find a new gasket, so we don't need to reuse the old one.
Satisfying, no?
Okay, so the big moment came. We have our engine bushings and the engine mounts, and we are gonna try to put the engine with the gearbox, which is already together, into the engine bay, just to check if everything aligns, if we don't need to, do anything around it. It's not gonna go there for good. We're just gonna literally do a test fit. I'm laughing because I saw some comments when we bought this car saying that it's going to be standing for 3 years and not driving.
I mean, usually these cars, they stand for 3-4 years, but...
Yeah. But the progress is real.
Yeah, if you spend some time, get all the boys to help, it's moving.
We also checked the intake and intercooler connection. On this side it's fine, the other side we need to fabricate.
Cut something out probably.
No, just fabricate the pipes to go like around, I think.
Pipes, yeah.
It's funny because yesterday we released the video with painting the engine bay, and already today probably we're gonna have a whole new video.
But then again,
I guess that's good.
I mean, then again, for us it's a bit unusual that we're making that many videos, and at first it felt like maybe we are rushing them too much, but then again, we're just working in garage every day. There it is. Right now, the next plan that we're doing right now is we're gonna connect the gearbox to the body of the car, so it's staying in a correct position, and also put the shocks back in and put the wheels on.
So the plan for the end of this video is to have chassis with the engine in, on wheels, standing in a garage, like on the floor.
I want to be able to roll the car already.
Yeah, that would be such a cool thing, like to see this car. We bought it, what, a month ago?
Yeah, something like that.
About a month ago we bought it as a rolling shell parts, and if we can get it today, like rolling on the garage with the engine in, beautiful engine bay, phew.
Painting, bro. Yeah, coming.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I've put the long jumps on the front, and we have a clearance issue with a brake caliper. I don't know how much you guys can see, but it's not a big deal. It's about 2 millimeters, maybe 3 millimeters. So there's two ways. We can either shave off the caliper a bit, or we can use a spacer for the wheel. Okay, looks like we have a car. It has engine, it has wheels. What else do you want?
Fresh cut.
Boogie got a fresh cut, ready for Miami trip.
Yes, and I have blue lights.
And I don't know why, but he's painting his BMW 36 lights blue.
I tell you why, because of style.
It's a style.
Yeah, it's blue style.
Blue style. Okay. So we have pretty much one more day before our trip to US, because Saturday we need to get ready. Tomorrow we still need to work on the rear arches from this side and from the other side. And there is these areas which are really rough at the moment. There is like probably 10 layers of different types of paint. So we need to figure out how to get it all nice and smooth. And by the end of tomorrow, it would be super nice to have the car ready for primer. And then when we're back from the States, we're gonna take the engine out, back again, do the brake lines, do the everything around the engine, then put the engine back in, do the wires, start it, paint it, and enjoy it. That's the plan. Boogie?
That's the plan.
Marek, why working on this car takes so long?
Well, usually one day job takes us 6 days to do, because now there is a build your own rocket competition.
Bozo, show me your rocket.
At the moment, Bozo is winning.
Bozo's winning
I'm
because
winning.
his rocket goes...
At the end of S13. Your shoe is burning. Okay, so I built this rocket.
Okay, so the boys have been working pretty much most of the day, standing down and putting more spahelka on the back of the car. It wasn't very interesting, so we didn't really film it, and it was really dusty in here. At the moment, we're preparing car for the primer already. Okay, Well, this is something.
This is definitely something.
Yes.
I don't know how many days we've been working on it consistently, but seeing the result and real progress really makes it all worth it. And
I think it looks amazing.
okay, and this is how we leave it. Now 2 weeks break, the primer is gonna sit properly and the filler, and then after we're back, we're gonna see still little spots where we need to work on the body, but like just little adjustments. Stay tuned, and I think that'll be big thank you to Kasper for helping again, and for all the people that actually came and helped, because like if it would be just me and Marek, it would be we would still be
we would still
it.
yeah
No, we would still be taking it out of lorry.
Yes.
When it came.
For sure.
So
Yeah. I suppose. Good night, people on the internet.